Dolls. So today I'm gonna do my juicing. I have my ginger cut up already, and I'm gonna put some limes, maybe for the citrus. But I got aloe. I'm gonna have aloe, beets, ginger, and cucumbers today. I was gonna do oranges, but no. So let's go. I already got my stuff here, so I'm gonna be telling y'all what's the benefits, since a lot of people don't like reading. So here we are. The apples, the aloe, the lime is cut up, the beets, the cucumbers, the ginger. Faith. That's what I believe in. So I'm gonna read it to y'all because the juicer is gonna be really loud. So basically, let's start with the beets. Beets are anti-cancer properties. They're blood builders. They help your blood. They support your blood. They improve digestive health, and they support brain health. Next up is ginger. You know I love ginger. I pre-cut my ginger because I make ginger tea. I boil it and then I use it again and again until it's finished. Ginger reduces inflammation. It's an anti-inflammatory. Stops headaches, supports cardiovascular health, heart health, if you don't know. Lowers cancer risk, relieve nausea, and it's pretty strong. And it's like a medicinal plant. Is it a plant? I don't know. I have to Google it. Next up is apples. Apples have vitamin A, E, B1, B2, B6, rich source of polyphenols, fiber, weight loss. It's a prebiotic. It promotes good gut bacteria, so it helps you go to the toilet. Heart health. It lowers the risk of diabetes. Ooh, I like the good gut bacteria because I'm always constipated. Oh, I take a lot of iron pills, pregnancy. Anyway, next up is going to be aloe vera. It's an antioxidant. It treats certain skin conditions, prevents cavities. Wow. Heals burns. We know that. It clears up your skin. It relieves constipation again. Oh, yeah. Relieves that constipation. It's very bitter, in case y'all don't know. Lowers the blood sugar in diabetics and reduces wrinkles. And then I'm going to just use the lime for citrus. And then last but not least, cucumbers. High in nutrients. It promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, lowers blood sugar, promotes regularity. Oh, wow. So I guess this is like a toilet drink. And it's gluten-free. Boom. So let me let you hear how it sounds. See? That's why I told y'all before. So let's start juicing. I'm just gonna zone it out. So now I'm gonna put my ingredients in. Let's start it out with some apples for that good old vitamin A. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now that I'm on this bed rest, yeah, I have nothing to do but juice. Let's get some ginger for this nausea, even though it doesn't work for me. Some of these cucumbers. So I guess now with everything going on outside, yeah, I get to see what bed rest feels like. They go to Beets. Yeah, so you see my little cute Dunkin' cup. Now, I need a cover. If anybody knows, like we get like a cover to put over the juicer so it doesn't get everywhere. But some more cucumbers. Don't those look like zucchinis though? Side note. But anyway, I used red apples because it was like a red drink. And I put like some powdered probiotics in there because I've been trying like powdered Herbalife, ingredients, but not a lot. Just like the greens. I'm not sure like what I could take as a pregnant woman. There goes some aloe. So the aloe takes like a little while. Like, it doesn't really make a lot of juice. You have to slice it and slice it and slice it. Some more apples. So I'm just filling it up. And then after, I don't have it in the video, but I put the green powder in it because I'm still throwing up the pills that they give me. I'm on this rigorous, is that what it's called, regimen with these pills. I take like 20 pills a day, but that's with IVF. I don't know. Oh, it's insane. Plus needles. But anyway, I hope y'all juicing and being healthy. Enjoy. All right, dolls. So we got the aloe cut up. We got this little cute juicer I got. I'm gonna squeeze some zest from the lime. I cut up some more aloe. Beets, apples, cucumbers, and some nice alkaline carrots. You know, got OCD. In the juicer. Ready, set, go. Here goes my second bottle on my second cup. You know, I was bored, but the apples, so the red apples are sweet, the green apples are sour, but the yellow golden apples, those are so good. But Guyanese golden apples taste amazing. Oh, I can't wait. I wish I could travel. But anyway, I put those carrots in there, and the carrots got vitamin A. They act as an antioxidant, cleansing and repairing our cells. Essential, get ready, essential to make our immune system function normally. You know how we need that good old immune system, and it's vital to protecting our bodies from infection. You better get up on it. But anywho, does somebody else know how else to cook or prepare beets? Because I don't know, I'm used to drinking it, but I'm not really used to eating it. Just a side note. But other than that, these cucumbers, they still look like zucchinis to me because they didn't have the regular ones. But this aloe is everything. I just drink it normally. It's very bitter, so yeah, get ready. People that don't drink aloe, they just rub it on their face. I don't know, but you know, you have to also put it in your mouth and swallow it. You could drink it with orange juice. It takes away the bitterness. That's just another side note. Or squeeze some lemon in your mouth, a lime, and have fun juicing. So I didn't forget. See, I still have more left to squeeze the zest. Here we go. Yeah, just a little bit. Alkaline and vitamin C from the lime. So I usually make like 2-3 bottles. I'm about to make another one. Thanks for watching, dolls. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. So I want to thank y'all for all y'all support, and thanks for watching this video. I hope that you guys are juicing at home, and I hope y'all enjoyed my little cute video. So I'm sending y'all love and light, and my little princess is still, don't mind the noise, is still cooking. Bye.